Okay, what is up everyone? I would like to welcome you all back to the final part of my Toamata reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at what is probably my favorite out of all these guys, Kopaka. In terms of a set, he is probably my favorite out of all of them. He looks awesome, so let's get into his review. Also in this review, I'm going to be showing off how you can give a little bit of neck articulation to your Toamata, which is a method I found out from rollout reviews, so I'll show it off in a minute. So, first off, let's see, his feet are what we normally expect. You know what, you guys know what the legs are by now. So yeah, he's got the standard leg design. And then his torso design is also what you'd expect, except something notable here. Instead of having a black neck piece, he's got a gray one, which complements his color scheme, because, you know, he's got gray in his color scheme. So yeah, I'm actually glad they changed that. It would look a lot worse if it was black. So good to you, Leica, for doing that. Although something else though, all of his things that connect his arms and legs are black, so yeah. Also, I forgot to mention this with Liwa, because Liwa also had this. His shoulders right here, instead of I keep using Tahu for comparisons, but he's like the basic form. So like as opposed to the normal with Tahu, just having shoulders like this, Liwa and Kopaka here, and Liwa as well, have it differently. I don't know what that's for. I think it's just to differentiate them a little bit. It's certainly not a bad thing though. So yeah, that's that. His arms are asymmetrical. He's got the same arm piece as Liwa on this arm, and actually a normal hand for once. Look at that. That's awesome that they actually gave him a normal hand. And then he also has this little shield thing. Yeah, it's kind of like a makeshift shield. It's like one of these satellite dish pieces. Oh crap! It's one of these satellite dish pieces. Just connected to his hand via pin axle. So yeah, it was 2001, so I can excuse that. But it looks fine. It doesn't look too much like a shield. So as I was saying, his other arm here, the weapon holding arm, with this really cool sword piece, which was only ever seen 2 times, I think. Only with him and with the scrawl from 2010. Okay. And with the scrawl from 2010. Sorry about that, by the way. So yeah, it's a really cool looking sword piece. I really like it. I wish they would have used it more. But yeah. So yeah, his eyes are just trans light blue, which really complements the white and gray color scheme. It was used in a lot of ice sets, or characters with the ice element, used in a lot of other sets. His mask is really cool looking. It's the mask of, it's the Akaku, the mask of X-ray vision. And it's got these 3 little scope things on one side and just an eye on the other side. It's a really interesting design. I really like what they did with this. And it works with Kopaka really well. So yeah, that's Kopaka. And now I'm going to show you all the neck articulation. So what you're going to need is this small little lightsaber blade piece, one little unit smaller than all the others. Oh, and by the way, I should mention this, I did not find this pattern myself. Rollout Reviews made this. I'm just showing my friends this. So, and then you're gonna want to take off the head. Then take off this little 3 long axle piece. Put this in place of it, and then just put the head back on. And then that gives you a little head swivel. So yeah, that's how I like to do it, because I don't have any flex tube. So yeah, works really well, and I use it in my animations when I'm trying to give them head articulation. So yeah, that concludes our review of all the Toamata. Yeah, correct. yeah, that is about it. These sets are what started Bionicle. First Bionicle sets ever made. So, like, they're amazing. And I'm glad I could finally get all of them. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, rather. And I will see you all in the next video.